singing a song called Night and Day by, I'm not guessing it's originally by Elvis Fitzgerald, but I'm not in Charles Third.
No.
I think it's by,
You all know. Isn't it by Cole Porter?
Yeah.
Well, she sings it.
Well, that's not the song.
Okay.
Cole Porter, Night and Day. You all know it, right?
Yeah.
Night and Day. Okay.
There it is.